This video will walk you through the process of creating an auto invest mandate while placing a new SIP order. Under the Invest tab, select the scheme in which you would like to start your SIP. On the order placement page, enter the SIP amount you would like to invest in and select your start date. Above the scheme name, you would be able to see your previously created mandate, or you may also choose to create a new auto invest mandate. Watch our video on how to create a new auto invest mandate for SIP installments. The link to that video is in the description box below. If your mandate gets approved, then the SIP will go through. Else, the SIP will be under SIP without active mandate section. After 72 hours, once the mandate is approved, the order will be automatically placed. Else, the SIP will get cancelled and you would need to place a new SIP order.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.